everyone, today we are doing an abs and cardio mashup workout, 15 minutes and no jumping. That is the best part. It is low impact, okay? So it's all on the mat, no equipment. So let's start with our cardio warm up. First exercise is the side to side reach punch. So we're gonna go nice and quick, really twisting from here, using the core, warming up our whole body, really put everything into it. So punch, punch, punch. Let's go to the music, get really into it. Strong punches, okay? Just channel all your stress, your hatred, the ex-boyfriend you hate, whoever it is you gotta think about, just do it and get punching. Hoo, 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 hoo. Come on. Twist, 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 twist. Let's go. Going for 45 seconds, 15 seconds rest. So we've got 10 seconds left here. And come back, all right. Woo! Got our heart rates up. Now we're doing opposite heel tap. So what you're doing is you're just lifting the leg, tap, 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 tap. So we're gonna do 2, front and back. 2, front and back. Let's go. I'm missing my heels in the back. Wait, whoa, 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 whoa. Let's regroup. Let's go. Front, front, back, back, front. Now we're gonna go for 4, 2, 3, 4, back, 2, 3, 4, front, back, and front, 2, 4, back. Oh my God, this is hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, back, 2, 3, 4, and front, back, and come down. Let me fix this mat because it got all crazy. Oh, okay, nice. Now we're doing a side step windmill. So really put your all into it. You're stepping from one side, bringing that arm down, back to the middle, other side. Let's go. If this is too much for you, you can also just twist like this. Okay, so if the motion is like too much, if you get dizzy or whatever, you can always adjust the move to fit whatever you can do, as long as you just show up and you're doing something. Let's go, come on. Whew. Okay, doing good. Catch your breath. Now we're gonna go with our standing core series. Still gonna be fast paced. So now hands up here. What we're doing is we're doing a twist, twist, crunch. Twist, twist, crunch, like that. So twist, twist, crunch. Opposite. Twist, twist, wait, no, twist, twist, crunch. Twist, twist, crunch. Twist, twist, crunch. Let's go. Twist, twist. You're exhaling on the effort. So as you come down, exhale. Twist, 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 come on. Come up, right. Catch your breath. Now we've got our cross body crunch squat. So we're squatting down, then doing a crunch. So you're gonna squat down and crunch. Squat down and crunch, sneaking in a little bit of lower body in here, okay? Thank me later when your abs are popping and so is your booty, okay? We cannot ignore the legs and glutes. Remember to exhale on the crunch. back down. Okay, now we got our standing crunch. This one is gonna be fast, okay? So in this one, you're starting from this position and you're bringing your elbows in to your knee, back out. So up, up, more of a cardio move, so speed it up. Let's go, up, 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 touch your knee. Come on, let's go. You got this. You can hold onto something for balance if you need to. So if you have a wall, chair, whatever, you can do that as well. Oh my God, my quad is burning. And keep going. Let's go. You got this. Remember what you came here for. You came to work, to push yourself, to challenge yourself. So when it starts to feel hard and that voice in your head says that you can't go anymore, remind yourself what you showed up here today to do, to get stronger. Yeah, all right. Now we're going to the other side. Catch your breath. Ready? Let's go. Up, 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 up. Come on. Stay focused. Let's go. Halfway through, you can do it. Put all your energy into it. We're not jumping here, so the moves really have to be big, exaggerated, full out to get the most out of this workout. Okay, so now we're gonna transition into our mat burn with our first exercise, which combines mat burn and standing core. We're doing a standing burpee. So no jumping here, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're going to go up to your tippy toes, walk it out to plank, drop your body down, get back up again, walk it back up. Keep going, come on. Now you gotta do this fast. Up, let's go. You can also just hold plank, come back up. It's up to you. Plank, come back up, or we can drop and back up. Oh my God. All right, let's get on down to the mat. We have got mountain climbers. So beginners, you're gonna do a walking mountain climber. So here in plank position on your hands, you're gonna bring one knee up, switch, advanced girlies. We're gonna put a run into it. Come on, let's go. Mountain climb like your life depends on it. Let's go. 30 seconds on the clock. Faster, just when you want to slow down, challenge yourself to go faster. Push yourself. Let's go. Get your breath, regroup, and keep going. Oh my God. No, I had to stop already. What the heck? Okay, that's all right. Woo. We're out here doing it, baby. Next up, we have got in and out hoppers in plank. Okay, so here, you're gonna hop out, in. If you want to just step out, you can do that too. So out, out, in, but I'm adding a hop to it. Come on. This is cardio after all. Let's go. Don't think about the seconds on the clock. Just focus on your breath. We're almost there. Come on. Out, in, let's go. Out, in, let's go. And out. Last 10 seconds, give it your all. Out, in. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, now we've got a plank to pike, a bit of a slower move so we can catch our breath here. Still hard on the abs though. So you're gonna start on your elbows here. You're gonna go from plank position. You're gonna push up to a pike, back down to plank. So you can just stay on your hands, or alternatively, if you wanna work out your upper body more, get down to your elbows, back up, push back. Let's go. Do whichever one feels right for you. You're exhaling as you plank. Come back down. Woo. Okay, and last exercise here on all fours on the mat. We've got a bear crawl, shoulder tap. So your knees are gonna stay off the ground the whole time. If you can't do that, you can come back down to tap them once in a while, but try to keep them up a few inches above the mat and tap. Tap. You can also just hold it here if you want, keeping your core tight, but the tapping definitely adds a challenge because you have to keep your core stable. All right, come on. Don't listen to that voice that tells you you can't do it, because trust me, I hear it too. And that voice can be a liar sometimes, okay? Not all the time, but sometimes it wants to stop us from feeling uncomfortable, but discomfort is where growth happens. It's where we get stronger. And it's where we make ourselves proud. We show ourselves that we can push through the discomfort and come out stronger on the other side. Oh, oh. Oh my goodness. Okay, getting down on our backs. The best part, we've got the finisher now. Woo. So doing a butterfly crunch. So you're gonna get on your back, put your legs into a butterfly position. This really targets the upper abs. Okay, so by putting our legs like this, we disengage the lower abs and put most of the focus right up here, which, you know, in workout shorts and leggings, these are the abs that are visible. So we want them to pop for real. Let's go. Oof. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Okay, so now going into a hip bridge march. This targets the deep core, and it's not a crunch. So I know my girlies that don't like crunches are gonna like this one. So you're gonna go into a glute bridge, squeezing your glutes the whole time, and we're gonna march. So your hands down on the ground are gonna help you with stability. You're gonna bring one knee in, put it down, other one down. If that's too much, you can just hold the glute bridge. That is totally fine. So you can challenge yourself by doing this or just hold. When your hips start to drop, lift them up off the ground. The floor is lava and your butt is about to get burned. Okay, so don't let that booty drop. Keep your core tight. Let's go. Come on. Calm down. And now we have got the last move to round out our workout. We've got stomach vacuums. We're doing these seated. So go ahead and sit down for the stomach vacuum. You're gonna inhale, and as you exhale, you're gonna bring that belly button into the spine. So imagine you're squeezing into a really tight pair of jeans. That's what we're doing here. So ready? And squeeze. So see how my belly button goes up into my spine like this? Exhale, inhale, and exhale. Hold. Let it go. Let's hold it one more time for 20 seconds. Inhale, and on the exhale, you're pushing in. Let's go. And bring it in and hold. And come back down. Oof. abs challenge. I am sweating. Make sure to hashtag Vicky Justiz abs challenge and tag me, Vicky Justiz, because I love seeing you guys. Working out with me brings me so much joy, and a lot of people are documenting their progress on TikTok from day 1 to day 14. So if you want to do that, make sure you tag me as well. I love to see it. I'm gonna support you guys, repost y'all, and yeah. So thank you so much for working out with me today. Make sure to tune in to day 3 coming your way tomorrow. Love ya. Bye.